Alright, so back here on Project Bugeye again. Here is the factory boost control solenoid. This is what the next step is for the car. I already installed the new one. I just wanted to show you guys the old one. These just don't, from what I understand, help adjust the boost. I guess you have more control over the boost and how it holds and where the peak stays and it doesn't taper off and stuff like that. So when you're tuning the vehicle, the aftermarket ones allow you to adjust more accurately and play with the boost a little bit more. So that's the factory one. All these lines are the original lines. I put them back in there just in case he ever wants to go back to stock, but these are really worn out, so I would suggest he uses the new lines if you were to put this solenoid back in. And the old solenoid uses 2 ports. It tees off for the wastegate and the turbo outlet. That way it's just reading one pressure. The new one has a line for the wastegate and the outlet individually. And then also there's one that goes to the intake. So one there, and then the last one's down there. So those are the 3. And then, like I said, the new one has 3 individual lines. So one on top, one on the side there, and then one on the very bottom if you can see it. And then it just hooks into the factory harness. So that's going to help with our tuning process and hopefully make more consistent power and maybe even possibly a little bit of extra power. Sorry I can't go into a little bit more detail on these. I'm not, the best versed on these, but that is the information that I have received, and I haven't gone any more in depth in finding out more about what they do. But yeah, so that's the new one installed, guys. I just want to show you step by step on what I am doing here. I'm almost done installing the downpipe and uppipe right now. Everything's hand tightened. I'm going to be torquing everything down here in a second, throwing the intercooler back on, and the car should be good to go. I'm hoping everything runs good, and we have the new tune from Rick at Road Race, so I'm going to be uploading that here as soon as we're done with everything. And then we'll hopefully have a good running car, and my friend Jeremy will be very happy. So the downpipe and the uppipe will probably be the last video you see. This is probably going to be the one before the last, so we'll see you guys at the very end, and I'll do some videos of us data logging and just how the car sounds, and one last walk around once it's all said and done. Thanks for following me on this build. I had a lot of fun, a lot of headaches as well, and all kinds of stuff, but we'll see you in the last couple of videos here, guys. Bye bye.